Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a copy of the social study project that is due on Friday. The first thing that you have to do is you're going to click on this link, and then you will see here grade 3 elementary social study. Click here and you will open the project, the social study project. Okay, how to make a copy. You're going to click here where it says file, make a copy. Okay, you're going to click where it says entire presentation. Click here. Okay, you can put any name here to name your social study project. Okay, and this is where you're gonna save your copy of the social study project. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way to the back, and then you'll see where it says my drive. You're gonna click there, and then what you have to do is you're gonna create a folder. If you don't have the social study folder, you can create a new one. Just click here and type social studies. Okay, then what you have to do is you're going to click here the check and then select. Okay, here's where you're going to save your project. Okay, in social study folder. Click OK, and you're making right now the copy of the social study project that is going to be in your social study folder. Okay, how to access your folder. Okay, you're going to click a new tab, and then you will see here in google.com. Make sure that you have to log in. Okay, you'll see your name. Here's Mr. Mercado. Then you're going to click the 9 dots here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select drive. Okay, you should see your social study folders. Okay, you double click, and here's your copy of the project. Okay, that is due on Friday.